So hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So we are going to dive into a super helpful tool for all your research and academic work. That is Zotero. Whether you are a student, a researcher, or anyone who deals with citations, Zotero will manage your sources and also references as a breeze. So let's get started. So here I have a document that I want us to go ahead and cite using Zotero. But since this is a complete course, I will take you back to the sections where you will, if you don't have Zotero on your laptop or your computer, the first thing that you need to do is to open up your browser. So once you open up your browser, go ahead and type the name Zotero for download. So you have Zotero connector and also the Zotero plugins, and you also have the Zotero app. So the Zotero app looks like this. I've already downloaded mine, and there is some articles and books that are already here. So that is an app that is running on this computer. Now, the first thing that you need to do is you will have just write Zotero download, or maybe Zotero download. Sorry, let me write it there. There's Zotero download for Windows. If you're using Windows, you can just write that. Then you can go ahead and click on Zotero connector. So you have an extension that you need to download. There's this Zotero 7 for Windows. It's compatible for 64-bit Windows, and you have to install this, which is now going to run as an app like this one. Then you also have to install this Chrome connector, which is going to act as a Chrome extension. Then you will pin it up here. You can see mine is here, already pinned up here. This is the place where you'll be saving your documents, like a book or a journal, or any information that you want to cite in your work. So go ahead and download this because I've already downloaded mine. Then also download this. Then once you're done downloading this, you go back again and download the Zotero plugins, the Zotero Word plugins. These are the ones that are going to appear in your Microsoft Word. Now, this is the Zotero app already installed, and also the plugins are here already added on my Microsoft Word. And this is here as a plugin. So you are going back to your Word again, your browser again, and type there, let's say, for example, Zotero Word or Microsoft Word plugin. So once you click on it, it will take you to this section where you install the installing the Zotero Word plugins processes. Once you click on it, immediately it will take you to this section. Then you can go ahead and click on this and download that Zotero Word plugin. Then immediately it will appear in your Microsoft Word as a plugin or a tab up here. Now you remember, Zotero is going to make your work easier because you're going to use it to cite your document in either of the styles that are there, maybe APA, MLA, Chicago, or any of the style that you've been given by your instructor. So the first thing that you need to do is, once it is added into your Microsoft Word, you can now start citing your document. This is just a sample document that has some information that I want to cite. And now, how do I cite my document? If, for example, let's say I want to start with this on introductory part and I want to cite this statement, I'll just highlight this statement, then copy, then I'll go back to my browser again, then search Google Scholar. Then once you click on Google Scholar, it will open for you. Then click there, put the statement there that you want to cite, then click enter. Then you realize that when you click enter, the journals or the papers that will appear here, they look, some of them are older and some of them are recent. And as the rule of citation or referencing, you need to use at least those articles that are recent that falls between or falls within the 5 years range. So here you need to go ahead and set the custom range of the articles that you want to cite. So for example, here you put there 2020 to 2025. We only want the articles that are within this range. So click search. Once you click search, you find out that the Google Scholar automatically updates those articles that are within that range. Then you can go ahead and read. So let's say, for example, we want to cite this book. So once you click on that book, you can go ahead and read if that information is there. Now, once you get the information and you're satisfied that you want to publish this book, you want to cite this book, or rather, you'll go ahead and click on this Zotero extension that you've already added to your Chrome. If you're not using Chrome, you can use Mozilla, any of the browser that you're using. You can just put the Zotero connector there. Then once you click on that, it will go ahead and save that book in your Zotero app. And at the same time, I forgot to tell you this, make sure your Zotero app is running. You open it as Zotero. Once you install it, you will just run it as admin. Then you make sure it is running. You run it as an admin. So mine have already run it. So when I go to click on the when I click on this Zotero extension on my Chrome, immediately downloads that book. So I will open up the Zotero app. Then I can see the title of that book and also the authors and also the dates when it was published and all that. So I want to cite this book. I will just go directly back to my content in Microsoft Word. Then I'll click my cursor at the end of that statement. This is what we call in-text citation. Then I can go ahead and now go and click on Zotero. Then go to add or add stroke edit citation. There's also this place that is says add or edit bibliography, but I want to add citation. So I will click on that. Then here I can go ahead and select the citation style that I want. So let's say, for example, my supervisor have told me to use APA format, the 7th edition. I just select APA format, the 7th edition, then click OK. Once I click OK, the citation will automatically appear here. Then it will also bring me the book that I want to cite. If you find that this is the book that you want to cite, click on it, then automatically come there, then click enter on your keyboard. Then your book will automatically be cited here. Let me take you through another one so that you can practice along. So let's highlight this, then we highlight it, then we go back to Microsoft Word, not the Microsoft, the Chrome. Then we put there the topic that we want to cite, click search. This pops up. So let's say, for example, we want to pick this book here. Once you click on it, go and click on the extension that it is on your browser. So once it's done searching, you can go ahead and click on the extension. Once you click on the extension, it saves the book in your Zotero app. You can open up to confirm. It is here, finish lesson 3 point something. This is also the same, finish lesson. Then go back to your Word. Then click at the end of your statement that you want to cite. Click on Zotero, then go to add citation, then click on add citation, click on the book, click enter. Then the book will be cited there immediately. Now let's say, for example, your supervisor has given you a citation, like for example, the APA format. Then tomorrow, maybe you have submitted your research paper to your journal and the journal says they want to change the APA format into another citation style. What you do, you will not come back and manually type in those citations because since they are already in your citation in your Zotero app, you just update them. Let me show you how to do that. So you will come back here, then click on Zotero, then click on document preferences. Once you click on document preferences, all of these styles will pop up. So let's say, for example, you want to change from APA format to something like, for example, IEEE. So you will select it, click it, then click OK. Then automatically every citation that you did in your document, it will change from APA format to IEE citation. Then if you want to add references to this document, you can also go ahead down here. Once you're done putting your references, doing your in-text citation, you will go ahead and click on this section, then click on add bibliography. Once you click on add bibliography, all of your citations will appear here. You can see it has appeared here. So automatically appear here. You will not go ahead and start typing in or typing anything in for that matter. So then you can also go back and also change. So let's say, for example, they have given you an APA format of a uh, specific requirement. And when you go to your document preferences, you are not finding it here. You're just finding the APA format, the 7th edition, but maybe the lecturer or your supervisor wants something else. So for you to get that and look for more APA formats or APA citations, you click on Manage Style. Once you click on Manage Style, you click on Get Additional Styles. So click on Get Additional Style, then it will take you to this section now where you can search online the styles that you want to get, or let's say, for example, the APA format. You will go ahead and search them from here. So let's say, for example, I put here APA. Once I type there APA, you can see it's loading. It will go ahead and search all the APA formats that I want. So here I have the APA 5th edition, the 7th edition, annotated bibliography, all these APA formats, but they are of different styles. So they are not the same. So we already have the APA format 7th edition, but we can also have this. So if you click on this, it will be added automatically to your styles of citation, because you can see we have an APA association, APA format, then we also have this APA format. So once you're done adding it there, you can just click do away with that Zotero, then go back again, click on document preferences, then you can go ahead and look for that style. It's here. You can click on it, then click OK. Then Zotero will go ahead and also update your document to make sure that it looks the way you want. So here we have our APA format, and that is it. Now you have known how to download your Zotero app and also download your Zotero connector and connect your Zotero as download your Zotero app and also download the Zotero extension and connect it on your Microsoft Word on your Chrome. Then you have also known how to download the Zotero plugins and also add it to your Microsoft Word and also cite your document. And the references will appear here automatically every time you do your updates down here. They will appear there automatically. Then you can also go ahead and refresh your document if you are done, and make sure update all the changes. Just click on refresh, then it can go ahead and refresh. So this is very automatic and it helps you cite your work and follow it up very well. And that is it. Now you're ready to start using Zotero to organize your research, create citations, and stay on top of your academic work. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll be happy to help. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.